recording our cooking segment. Team, whatever their name is.
Yeah.
Mr. Watson's team versus Team Scott. Look how enthusiastic these three ladies look. But thank you for the smile for the camera. I'm a little aggressive cameraman. Okay, we have entry number 1. What is your official name for it?
It's Chaffles.
Okay, that's great. Chaffles. What's your name for your thing? Macaroni Surprise. Jeez, I'm gonna really pull this team along, Miss Scott. Okay, so prime your cooking instruments with the magical Pam spray. That makes sure nothing sticks. So open up the waffle makers. Give a generous spray to the bottom and to the top. We want to make sure, hold on, Team Watson, chill out. You know what? You would never survive in my house. Help her out. Come on. We want to coat the surface. Thank you. And the top. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, Team Watson. Okay, and now add however you're going to add it. What are we going to do? You look like you're the leader of this cooking show. She's might have just relinquished ability. Let's go. Okay, Chaffles is coming over here into the instrument. It's okay. Use your fingers. You just put your, or just spread it, just whatever you think you need to do.
Just do it like this.
That's a great idea.
If you die
See, you're
from
smart.
salmonella,
I think
it's not
you
my
should
fault.
sign up for the Cooking Academy at Hug High. Okay. Yes, Miss Scott, I totally advised her to stick her fingers into your panko breadcrumbs, but she was more civilized than I am. Okay, any input from the peanut gallery? They gave a nod of yes. Okay, we're already cooking over here at Team Watson. Trinity, are you helping it whatsoever?
Yes, I am.
I don't know
That's
about
why
that.
I'm gonna make Herbie the
Okay.
taste tester, because if the egg doesn't cook all the way, she'll get salmonella.
Okay, here it's sizzling. We are sizzling. That's a good thing.
I don't have a death wish.
Okay,
Thank you.
what do you think?
Oh, that looks so good.
Okay,
I'm gonna make multiple of these.
Like cheese.
Fine, then I'll eat it. You'll
okay,
just not be helpful.
okay, okay.
Waffles are so
We good? Okay.
Oh, I don't know if that's
Okay, I hear it. I can hear it. Can you guys hear it? ASMR. Shh.
Is there a way to get this out?
Okay, we have a spoon. Let's take this moment to introduce ourselves to the audience in case we don't know who we are. So, Team Watson,
Hi, I'm Trinity. And this is
and
I need to get the water.
is it done? How do you know it's done? Do you?
That was all of it.
It's not done yet. Okay, introduce yourself, Team Scott.
my name is Natalie.
Okay,
Via name
okay,
Elizabeth.
okay. Who's the leader of this group? Who's gonna like? She just is with more authority. I'm signing you up for the culinary arts program. Okay. Do we hear the sizzle? I hear the sizzle over here.
Oh my gosh, miss.
It's attacking me. Are we allowed to do checks for it?
Let's do checks. Let's do a check.
Oh, it's almost done, miss.
Oh, see? Much better. Woo! Okay, that does look very professional. Oh, boy, Mama Hammer. No. No.
Terry.
Mama Terry. Reverted back to the old days.
This spoon has raw egg on it now, so I'm gonna.
It's okay. We got a sub in here. We're going to do a little bit of adjustment. I'm fine with it. Let's go. Let's see what we're going to do.
Pick it up with your fingers.
No, it's hot.
You could use the spoon.
That has raw egg on it, miss.
People with these cooking.
I can't. Do you want raw egg?
I've
on
told you I
chocolate?
use the same fork for 3 years running and I never wash it. You want to go use that fork to get it out?
No.
Okay,
I'll
fine.
use the back of it.
Yeah, use the back of it. Be the brainstorms. Okay, question. Does it smell good? It actually smells good in here. You know what? I don't even know.
It smells like food.
And that means it smells good. Okay. That, well, look at that. That's a product.
Come here. Come here. Wait, is that good enough? Let me see.
Ooh, ooh, look at that.
That's good.
Look at that.
Making sure it's not so raw.
Should we use this to take it out?
Let's see.
I make omelets all the time.
I think more. I'm going to give my expert. I'm going to squeeze it down more. You want it to be browned? Because then when we pull it out, we don't want to pull out the mac and cheese and have it come out like mac and cheese. We want it to be like a...
It's cooling down.
I'm hungry now.
How pretty.
You haven't done anything. You're not here just to taste it. Okay, maybe you are. I don't know. Okay. That looks pretty good.
I'm not a
Yeah.
liability. If I die, it's not on you guys.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I claim no responsibility for
Hold
any
on.
foodborne illnesses out of this library or fires.
Screw that.
Miss Quintana, it's not my fault.
Yeah, it's our fault.
Okay, do you think Miss Quintana should be nicer?
No, she's nice already.
I don't know.
You know what? I don't even want to hear your opinions anymore. I don't know why I asked you. Okay, we're going to pause and we're back. Let's see our final product. So we have option number 1 over here for the waffle, and we have the mac and cheese. And actually, we just flipped it out, and it is nice and beautiful on the other side.
Trinity. Will you grab this?
Clean fingers. Look at that. Okay, now let's sample it.
Miss, I think
Let's
it
do a
might still have
taste
a cheese
test.
pull.
Let's do a
Yeah,
taste
look at
test. Look at
that.
the cheese pull.
Okay, Miss, you
Okay.
want some?
Okay, let's do a sample.
Oh my gosh, Trinity, you little trash panda.
Try it. What do you think? Good? Okay. Go ahead and try your mac and cheese. Let's do a taste test.
No. Okay.
Thank you. You know what? You get all the prize for this because, yeah. Okay.
I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
Doesn't look
That's
good.
good.
It looks good to me.
It's really good.
Okay, try it.
Do you think it's evenly cooked?
Maybe.
Seasoning.
Okay. Try that little bit and see which one you like better. Being honest.
Hold on,
See if
Miss,
you try
we're
theirs.
saving some for you. Wait,
I will
have
take.
hold up.
No, let her try some. Okay.
It's gonna take just a minute. I don't want that much.
You're good. You can have more. Go on.
Which one's better? Is it good? Do you like it? Okay, fully admit it. Okay. What could we do to improve yours? We're gonna do a second batch. Did you already put it in there yet?
No.
Okay, so now we're gonna regroup, okay? Okay, so as normal, I love how the ladies have come together and they have adapted, and now they're just cooking all together, and we've made some exceptions. We agree the chaffle, waffle, whatever, is delicious because it's cheese. It's basically just melted cheese. So we have then adapted it as a whole group idea to go ahead and lift that sucker up, to put cheese on the outside and then the mac and cheese on the inside. So we're gonna try that next. We're gonna probably cook it a little bit longer. So it's basically like one of those stuffed with
Cheese.
mac and cheese.
Yeah, but to be
Okay.
fair, ours is
Okay.
omelet. waffle.
Okay. And so takeaways from today. Who came with the better idea? Okay. Who took charge and showed leadership skills? Okay. Who stood in the back and didn't give me any smiles? Few people. And in the end, as we came together and cooked as a group, did we come up with maybe even a better project? Teamwork makes the dream work. And now we're just going to sit here and eat cheese and mac and cheese and cheese. And somebody doesn't like mac and cheese. Did you try that though? Do you want to try that? It's cheese. Okay. So it's really good. It's really good. Like it's super good. I think you should try it. I think you should try it.
Try it.
Okay, we're going to try it. So end the video with the final taste test. Okay.
Oh, whoa. That one's really fluffy.
Oh, I think ours is ready.
Okay, you ready? What do you think? It's pretty good. Okay, so we're going to end that cooking segment. Go ahead and say goodbye, my dears.
There was more egg in this.
Okay, bye-bye.
It sounds like it would
I lied. One more final check-in. What is the final verdict? Which one came out to be the best?
Well, they think ours is good and we think theirs is good, so I think
Because-
it's just a tie.
What we did is we morphed them all together. It's the
I want to try the original.
mac and cheese surrounded by the waffle thing, all as one.
Here.
Spectacular. Okay.
Let me try
See,
original.
that's why we came together. Teamwork made the best product. I love it.
Oh, yeah,
Great.
this definitely better.
It's really good.